Hello automotive friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss one of the legendary names that once became an icon of European compact cars, the 2027 Fiat Punto. After years of absence from the global market, Fiat has finally brought back the Punto in a completely modern, new generation. So, what is the 2027 Fiat Punto like? Is this Italian hatchback capable of being a serious competitor to the Volkswagen Polo, Peugeot 208, Renault Clio, and Toyota Yaris? Let's discuss it in detail. In terms of design, the 2027 Fiat Punto looks very different from the previous generation. Fiat's latest design language presents a more futuristic look while maintaining its signature Italian style and elegance. The front end is dominated by ultra-thin matrix LED headlights that blend into a minimalist grille with glossy black accents. The front bumper design looks aggressive with large air intakes that improve aerodynamics while giving a sporty impression. From the side, the 5-door hatchback silhouette is well proportioned with sharp body lines. Slightly flared wheel arches create a sturdy impression, while 17 to 18-inch alloy wheels emphasize the vehicle's modern character. At the rear, elongated horizontal LED lights create a premium visual identity. The tailgate design is clean, with the new Fiat logo positioned in the center. Stepping inside the cabin, Fiat's transformation is truly significant. The interior of the 2027 Punto features a modern, minimalist design typical of contemporary European vehicles. Soft touch materials dominate the dashboard and door panels, creating a premium feel previously rare in Fiat compact hatchbacks. In front of the driver is a 10.25-inch digital instrument panel that can be customized to suit the user's needs. Meanwhile, a 12.3-inch main infotainment screen is positioned floating in the center of the dashboard. Fiat's latest multifunction steering wheel design also offers a modern and ergonomic feel. The front seats are designed with good lumbar support, ensuring comfort on long journeys. Cabin space is one of the biggest improvements compared to the previous model. Rear passengers now have more legroom thanks to the modern platform. Fiat is expected to offer a 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with 48-volt mild hybrid technology. One of the traditional strengths of European cars is handling quality, and the 2027 Punto appears to retain that character. The latest platform from the Stellantis group allows for significant improvements in stability and comfort. In terms of safety, Fiat is targeting a 5-star Euro NCAP rating. Safety features expected to be available include 8 airbags, autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, driver attention monitoring, traffic sign recognition, automatic high beams, electronic stability control, and hill start assist. The new body structure also uses high-strength steel for enhanced impact protection. If marketed globally, the estimated price of the 2027 Fiat Punto is $22,000. The 2027 Fiat Punto proves that a legendary name can still be relevant in the modern era. For those looking for a compact car with a design that differs from most Japanese or Korean hatchbacks, the 2027 Punto offers a strong Italian identity, a pleasant driving experience, and excellent efficiency. What do you think of the 2027 Fiat Punto? Does this legendary hatchback deserve to be a top choice again in the modern compact car segment? Share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for more of our latest automotive reviews.